So this thing does not look like much, but this is something I'm extremely excited about. This is a 71 GMC, and I bought this turd for the cab. This is a factory air cab, and my 69 C10, which is in the shop, has a ton of rust in it. And so I've been looking for a better cab to do rust repair on whatever it needs, but was hoping for a better start than what mine is. And I got really lucky and found this thing on Facebook. Someone has already replaced the outer rockers, so that's a nice step. This cab corner looks like it's pretty decent. It is going to need a little bit of floor work up toward the front of the floor panel. It's got a good set of doors on it. Mine, I've got good doors, so I'll probably just sell those. But the fact that it's a factory air cab has got me super excited. There is just a little bit of rust, like right here you can see a little bit, and that brace right there is going to need to be replaced. Again, rocker's been replaced. Like, I'll dress up the welds a little bit. I'm going to find somebody to do some media blasting on this thing for me. This cab corner I do know needs to be replaced, because when I looked at it earlier, you can see daylight, which is fixable. Really super fixable. So very excited. Look at those vents. Awesome. Gonna get this thing off of this frame and haul the frame off, because it's the bed. It's got one good bedside on it. I may pull that off and sell that. Otherwise, the rest was junk. It's 71, so it's a 5 lug. If you undead giveaway on these trucks like this, if you've ever, like, so that hole right there is for the exterior cab light. 71 and 72s had those. 67 to 70, I mean, did not. So that's a dead giveaway. It's a 71 or 72 cab. So since mine's a 69, I may weld that hole up, patch it, or I don't know, who knows, may just put it back. But super excited. Really good clean cab. And one of these days I'll get a video of my 69. It's over there under all that junk.